long question answer signs, you have already drawn the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Now only one answer is left. That is the last answer. How are transparent objects different from opaque objects? Yes? This answer is left. So now what you have to do is take out your science copies, quickly copy the question. Copy the question. Divide the page into two parts. Column 1, transparent object. Column 2, opaque objects. Do this much, hurry up. All right. So, first column, transparent object, point number 1. Ready? First column, transparent object, point number 1. Start writing. Transparent object allows 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 light to pass through them. Transparent objects allows light to pass through them. THROUGH, through them. Transparent objects allows light to pass through them. You want to write all the points of transparent object first, then opaque objects, or you want to write one point of transparent, one point of opaque, like this? One of transparent, one of opaque, like this? One of transparent, one of opaque. Okay. So transparent object, point number 1 written. Now come on to opaque objects, point number 1. Opaque objects, point number 1. Start writing. Opaque objects do not allow the light to pass through them. Do not allow the light to pass through them. Opaque objects do not allow the light to pass through them. Done? Now again come under transparent object, point number 2. Transparent object, point number 2. We can see SEE. We can see easily. We can see easily through transparent objects. We can see easily through THROUGH, through transparent objects. We can see easily through transparent objects. Done? Now again come under opaque objects. Point number 2. Opaque objects, point number 2. It is not possible. It is not possible. POSSIBLE. It is not possible to see it is not possible to see through opaque objects. It is not possible to see through opaque objects. It is not possible to see through opaque objects. Now again come under the heading transparent objects, point number 3. Transparent objects, point number 3. Start writing. Transparent objects do not form shadows. Transparent objects do not form shadows. Transparent objects do not form shadows. Now, opaque objects, point number 3. What will be point number 3? Point number 3 will be opaque objects form shadows. Opaque objects form FORM. Form shadows. Opaque objects form shadows. I'm repeating. Okay, I'm repeating all 3 points again. Listen carefully. Point number 1. Transparent objects allow light to pass through them. Opaque objects do not allow the light to pass through them. Point number 2. We can see easily through transparent objects. It is not possible to see through opaque objects. Point number 3. Transparent objects do not form shadows. Opaque objects form shadows. Clear? Now see, is there anything else which is left? Tick the correct answers we have done. Then circle the correct answer also we have done. Rewrite and give reasons. You don't have to do. Give reasons and rewrite. You don't have to do. One word answer we have already done. Short answers we have done. Long answers we have done. Diagrams drawn. Okay. Now I don't think anything else is left. Why to send the PDF when I have dictated the answer? I have dictated the answer. I am not going to send the PDF. Now, your today's homework is, if the diagrams of this chapter is not done yet, do it today. Secondly, the next chapter, sun, moon and the earth. Open the next chapter. Your homework is, you have to read this chapter today. What you have to do? Read the next chapter, sun, moon and the earth. We are going to start the next chapter in the next science class whenever we'll have. Till then, you have to complete the pending work of light and shadows, eclipses, if any pending work is there, and then you have to read the next chapter, that is sun, moon and the earth. Homework is clear to everybody? Vidhi, Arjun, Arhan, clear? Kshitij, clear? Ayush, Kartikeya? Okay, all right then.